Tom Holland and Zendaya are traveling to the other half of the hemisphere. The couple was spotted arriving together in Mumbai, India on Friday, March 31, 2023 per Entertainment Tonight. The latest sighting of the couple comes a week after the actress, 26, was seen wearing a special jewelry tribute to Tom. She wore a simple gold signet ring with the initials TH engraved on it in an ornate script. According to India Today, if reports are to be believed, the celebrity couple is in India to be a part of the native Mukesh Ambani Cultural Center (NMACC) launch. Located in Mumbai, NMACC is a first-of-its-kind, multidisciplinary space in the sphere of art, conceived to spark artistic curiosity within the community. Holland and Zendaya met on the set of 2017's Spiderman: Homecoming. The Spider-Man couple have been together now for almost 2 years, and the romance is showing no signs of stopping. While they have opted to keep their relationship private since going Instagram official September 2021, they've still taken moments throughout the years to celebrate each other. A source previously told People that Zendaya and Holland, 26, started seeing each other while filming the Marvel movie in 2016. They've been super careful to keep it private and out of the public eye, but they'd gone on vacations with each other and try and spend as much time as possible with one another, the insider said at the time. Holland told GQ that November 2022 that one of the downsides of being famous and in a relationship is that privacy isn't really in our control anymore, and a moment that you think is between two people that love each other very much is now a moment that is shared with the entire world. The pair dressed down for their day of travel, with the Dune actress dressed in a sweatshirt, leggings and her glasses, and the Spider-Man actor opting for a jacket, t-shirt, jeans and baseball hat. The duo was each carrying bags as they made their way from the airport to their car.